Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and leave a comment when you finish watching this video. Hope this helped. Right about now, I'm about to do a oil change on a 2016 Ford Transit. This one takes 6 quarts of motor oil, and it's 5W20 as you can see, and the filter is TG3614. This is the frame we're going to be using. Oh, that's a different language right there. This one give you 15,000 miles, so make sure you get the filter that match the oil. As you can see, we're using platinum, Pennzoil Platinum full synthetic 5W20, and it takes 6 quarts of oil, as you can see. And you're gonna need a 15mm socket to take off that drain plug. You could use a wrench like this, or you could use an extension. I did use an extension in the video and swap it back to the small one because it was kind of long, but just to break it, because sometimes the last person be doing it too tight. So make sure you have an extension. Let me show you the extension that I have. Alright, this is the extension right here that I use. You could call it a breaker bar, just to break that bolt, because sometimes, as I said, it be so tight. Sometimes the short one don't have the leverage, but with this long breaker bar it should work. Next, you could use the filter, this filter tool right here. This one is too small, that's why I didn't use this one in the video. I can't find the bigger one. I have like a up, like the next step from this one, which is a little bigger, that we'll use. But I use the clamp. You got to be careful with this filter clamp, because sometimes some position you don't want to damage that filter. If you can't get it off at all, you don't want to damage it. So make sure you kind of angle it away and twist gently. You don't want to grab it too tight. You don't want to damage the filter to mess it up, because I had an issue like that a long time ago. And when I went and bought the right size for the filter clamp, it was damaged, and this couldn't work, so I had to work with this one. So just to keep that in mind. But anyways, let's get into the video, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow, and let's get into the video. Enough talking, let's go, let's get it. One more thing, guys, don't forget the funnel. You're going to need this to pour the oil in, and this one works better than my red one. The red one is huge, it's bigger. This one is small, so you could just slip it in and put it in where you pour the oil at when you take off the cap. So get a funnel just like this. This should work perfectly. Alright guys, here we go. 2016 Ford Transit Connect. The 3.5L and the 3.7L takes like 6 quart. The 3.2 diesel engine, that takes like 12 quarts. So this is the small one, guys. But here going in the vehicle, it's mostly on the passenger side, in the middle, passenger side. This is the oil pan right here, the silver looking box. That's the oil pan, and above it they have the filters above it. But right here I'm using my extension, well, the breaker bar, to basically break it loose. Now I'm having a little hard time because I'm holding the camera and trying to do the job at the same time, which I need like a tripod or a cameraman. But hey, just keep watching, guys. We'll get there. So I basically use the breaker bar to break it loose. I know you guys can't really see, but you're all going to see, because I am going to show. I'm just trying to get a steady pace, get a closer up, because it was like kind of blurry. Sorry about my camera quality. I wish it was better, but I gotta work with what I have. So as you can see at the top right there, that's the filter. That blue thing, that's the filter right there that was on it. So I switch to the smaller socket, the smaller ratchet basically, and I'm taking off that plug. Try to give a better angle because the sun from the glare from the sun. So try to take off that bolt, as you can see right there. Try to twist it off with my hand, fingers. I should have gone on there another way, like my back way, but I didn't. I go from the front. I don't know why I did that, but just take some time to just score it off. But yeah guys, this is the 2016. As I said, the 3.7 and 3.5. The both of them takes 6 quarts. The 3.5L and the 3.7 L is 6 quart. The only one is the 3.2 that is diesel. It takes like 12 quarts. So this one takes 6 quarts of oil, guys. And here we go. I'm draining the oil. What I should have done, I should have taken off the filter first, but it doesn't matter. You could take off with either or. It's up to you. So here I'm just draining the oil, guys. Takes a while, you know, to pour down, you know, pour out. Takes a while. And that's the filter up there at the top. That blue canister, you know, blue can, blue color. That's the filter. Just taking this time to pour out, you know. Yeah, as you can see, it's like brown. That oil was basically done for. Always go for full synthetic no matter what, guys. Go for full synthetic. You know, sometimes you don't have the money to change it right there on the spot. With full synthetic, you could go over maybe 1,000 more over your oil change before you change it. Just know that you're in good hands. And guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to this channel. Help me to grow this channel, guys. And help me to bring more, you know, more content for you guys. Do it yourself, DIY content, you know, do it yourself. Save money. I bought the oil at Walmart. You know, the oil filter, everything. The oil in the filter at Walmart is cheaper than going to Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone or any auto center. I get my oil at Walmart. It comes out cheaper. You save money. You know, you do it yourself, you got to save money as well, you know. So this is the plug, you know. I'm just showing it to you guys. Trying to get a better angle at the top. It's the filter. Yeah guys, easy and simple. I use my ramps because it's easier. I didn't use no jack. So if you have some ramps, just drive up on the ramps. If you have a jack, just jack it up and make sure you have jack stands. You know, we don't want no fatality at all. So make sure you have your jack stands for extra protection. You know, hold up the vehicle. You know, we don't want no fatality. So yeah, so here with the clamp, you clamp it at an angle and twist. You don't want to do it too tight, you know, just take your time because you don't want to crush it. One time I had a problem that I crushed it and I went to buy the filter cap and it didn't fit because it was crushed. So I had to take my time and use the filter clamp to twist it, just to bust it loose, and then use my hand, you know. And when to replace it, you just hand tight it, you know. Just take your time and hand tighten the filter. No need for no tool to tighten it up. Just use your manpower to tighten it and you should be good. Make sure you don't double gasket. Make sure the rubber seal is removed when you remove that hole from the housing, when you remove that old filter. And make sure you lubricate the new one. Some people add oil. I did add oil in the new one as well, so keep in mind with that one. You know, it's pretty easy oil change. I would have did it even faster if I had a cameraman or have a tripod, but guys, I do this for y'all. You know, I'll get there someday. The more and more I drop content, the more and more my quality will get better. I do need to upgrade on my camera. I'm doing my best, you know. Things takes time, but look how easy that was. The filter is off, and yeah, we're gonna put in the frame, install the frame filter. I'll pour some oil in there and lubricate the seal. So if you see anything dripping, see this right here, this is the frame that I'm putting back in place. I took it off for a reason, just to show you guys. I add clean oil inside of it, so it's filled with oil. and I lubricate the seal as well at the edge with my fingers with clean oil. I know I didn't show it on camera, but that's what I did. And here I am screwing it back on. You know, don't want to cross thread it, so take your time, screw it on just like so, and hand tighten it. No need for no tools. Easy and simple, guys. Yes, just like that. When you're done, when you put back on the put back in the drain plug, just get a dry cloth and just wipe off the excess oil that's all over the place. Just make sure you just clean it off. So I just use my fingers, back in that drain plug, back in
dirty but in a bun,
and then use a socket wrench with a 15mm and just give it a good snug and tighten it up. Boom, just give it a good snug. That's it. Don't need to over tighten. That's good enough. And then get a rag and just wipe all that excess oil off. That's what I did. And then I just go to the top, guys. Go straight to the top. So here I'm just showing the Pennzoil oil, 5W20, 15,000 miles, platinum, full synthetic. And just pour that oil in, guys. Just pour the whole bottle, clean, fresh. The oil is to lubricate your engine, keep it running stronger. You know, good lubrication, no metal to metal contact. Good stuff. Keep your vehicle running longer. The easiest thing that you could do on your vehicle is an oil change. Easy and simple, guys. No big deal. Once you have the right tools, you don't have to worry about nothing. I used Pennzoil before. I used Castrol before. All full synthetic, advanced full synthetic, or premium full synthetic. No matter what I use, I always go for full synthetic motor oil, guys. So Pennzoil, that's 5 quarts right there. And this next one is the 1 quart that I'm about to pour in there. Pretty easy, pretty simple. You know, do it yourself. You can't go wrong. At all. So guys, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. It was a quick and easy oil change on this Ford Transit. You know, piece of cake. Put that cap back on, and I'm about to go inside the vehicle and show you guys how to reset that oil life. Pretty easy and pretty simple.
Alright,
can't go wrong.
to reset,
it's showing right there.
Oil change require. Okay,
Let's
so
get into it. Alright, so Ford Transit 2016 Ford Transit. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the oil light. You turn it to the on position, as you can see right there. Then you're going to put your foot and the brake and the gas at the same time. Hold it down for a few seconds. I'm just going to have to wait. Then it said service oil reset in progress, I'm guessing. Keep holding it down. My 2 foot is down there. Then it said service oil reset complete, and that's how you reset the oil life on a 2016 Ford Transit. I don't know what model this is, but from 2016 going on up, it should be the same. It said service oil reset complete. You could take it off, turn it off, basically start it up. In a low tire pressure. just need some air, and that light won't come on again, guys. That's how you do it. So let me drive it off this ramp. I'm in reverse. Let me go slowly down the ramp, and perfect. Yep, that's how you do it. That runs for a few. Running. There you have it.